I don't know if he understands me or not, but he's still on the harbor. I got you some birdseed, man. Since you waited so patiently. Now I'm gonna walk over there and put it down. I know you're gonna fly away, but just relax. I got some food for you. Got some food here. Just putting it on the stump. Just put it on the stump, Holmes. Now you saw your son do this. I know that you're more brave than he is. So I'm just gonna put it right there and you just sit right there. Come a little closer. Every step I take, every step you take, you know. Very interesting. Very interesting. Oh man, I love this bird. Cassius.